Making a homemade face mask can be a fun and simple way to pamper your skin without having to spend a lot of money. Not only can you customize the mask to suit your specific skin needs, but you also have the peace of mind of knowing exactly what ingredients are being used on your face. Here are 5 steps to creating your own face mask at home. Choose your ingredients. The first step in making a homemade face mask is to choose the ingredients you want to use. Some common ingredients include honey, avocado, yogurt, oatmeal, and egg white. You can use one ingredient or combine a few to create a multi-benefit mask. Prepare your workspace before you begin making your face mask. Make sure you have all the tools you need. This includes a mixing bowl, measuring spoons, a spoon or spatula for mixing, and a clean, empty container for storing your mask. Mix your ingredients. Start by mixing your ingredients in a bowl until you have a smooth, spreadable paste. Depending on the ingredients you choose, you may need to add a little water or another liquid to help everything come together. Apply the mask to your face. Once your mask is mixed, use your fingertips or a brush to spread it evenly over your face, avoiding the sensitive skin around your eyes and mouth. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes, or until it has completely dried. Rinse and moisturize. When the mask has dried, rinse your face with warm water and gently pat dry. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. It's that simple. Making your own face mask is a fun and easy way to pamper yourself while also taking care of your skin. Try experimenting with different ingredients to find the perfect mask for your skin type. Remember to always patch test any new ingredients before using them on your face, and to use caution if you have sensitive skin or are allergic to any of the ingredients you choose to use. Don't miss out on all the fun and informative content. Be sure to watch our other videos to continue learning and improving your skills. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all our latest releases. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to share even more with you in the future. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and join the community.